The Raw, and racing Secret Lady Hawk, Key Hawk, moving up to take second, running by the rail is entry number 3, and that's Showmaster. Moving up is Matter of Honor, then moving up about to pass the last 600. We have entry number 1, Secret Lady, Matter of Honor. Closing in third is Hockey Hawk. On the outside, Mr. Savior, Prying Eyes, War Alert. Then comes Showmaster. In between runners, South Pearl and Emperadora. With the last 250 more to run, two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Secret Lady, Matter of Honor, Hawk. Hawk is on the outside. War Alert sneaking in down on the inside. Secret Lady, War Alert moving up by the rail down the outside. Mr. Savior. And finally, War Alert close between Secret Lady, Mr. Savior. Then comes Prying Eyes, Hockey Hawk for your Pentapecta.